Welcome to the Module 4 review. In this review, I'm going to quickly discuss a few things I did for the first week of school to prepare for a successful school year. Let's take a look at the 3 phases of my plan. Phase 1, create a plan. Before the first week of school, I would review my classroom management plan. I would reflect on how well it worked the previous year and decide whether or not I needed to revise the plan. Next, I would review or write my lessons for the first week or 2 of school. This would help me prepare and gather the materials I needed for Phase 2. Phase 2, prepare. For Phase 2, I would prepare everything I needed for the first week of school. First, I started by setting up my classroom. This included decorating, arranging desks, chairs, and tables, numbering all desks and lab stations, creating the makeup work area, creating an area for graded assignments, setting up my chalkboards, putting up my rules or consequences, and setting up the teacher's desk and materials. Next, I would gather all the materials I needed for the first week of school. This may have included worksheets, a course syllabus, equipment for group activities, and digital files. Finally, I would make copies for the first week of school. I preferred to have copies ready to go ahead of time because I didn't want to spend my planning period the first week of school standing in front of the copy machine. And finally, Phase 3, implement the plan and be consistent. As I go through my first day and week of school, please keep in mind that I taught middle school. These students were at an age where they were very familiar with basic rules and procedures. Therefore, I didn't have to spend a lot of time reviewing rules. Okay, let's proceed with my day 1. On the first day of school, I would randomly assign students a number to sit at when they entered the room. I would use this arrangement to create my seating chart. After everyone was seated, I had them take out some paper. I showed them how to head it, and then had them complete the warm-up, which was timed, of course. Once we reviewed the warm-up, I did a quick icebreaker activity. Then I went over the class syllabus, rules, consequences, and a few procedures. I gave examples and answered all questions. By the end of class, I would explain how they were going to be dismissed and had them prepared to leave. After the first day, I followed my same routine and schedule. I also continued to review and enforce my classroom management plan daily. As the week progressed, I added more routines and procedures. I also taught solid lessons, had good momentum, and kept my students productively busy each class period. In summary, being a good classroom manager requires these 3 basic elements. 1, have a plan. Be sure to design a solid classroom management plan and lessons. 2, always be prepared. That means have everything you need out and ready to go each day. And 3, implement your plan with confidence and be consistent. If you are confident with your plan and are enforcing it without fail, you will definitely be able to manage your classroom with ease starting day 1. We have reached the end of this course. I would like to take the time to thank you again for taking this course. Please remember to plan, prepare, and be consistent with all you do in your classroom. Until next time, goodbye.